Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a copyright sign symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a copyright symbol on the Google Sheet web, I just going to show in this video. So you just need to use your keyboard shortcut for the Google Sheet to insert the symbol, because there is no insert symbol option present here. So you just can use your Alt key shortcut as Alt 0169, or you can just use Windows key shortcut as Windows plus dot symbol. So first of all, just use Alt key shortcut. You just need to press Alt key on your keyboard, then type 0169. It will be insert this copyright symbol. You just press Alt 0169 and just leave the key. This is how you just insert the copyright symbol on your Google Sheet web. The second thing, you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol, so which opens this dialog box, and just move this and click on the symbol option. Now you just can insert the symbol from on the first. You just want to press the gentle punctuation and just insert the copyright symbol. This is the two way that you can insert the copyright symbol on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.